Hi, this is the GuruScan demo for the Social Now Conference 2022. I made this recording for everyone who wasn't available to attend on the second day of the Social Now Conference, or is otherwise interested in seeing this GuruScan demo. For this demo, we will be using the Cablinc case as it has been made by Anna Neves of Noman, specifically for this Social Now conference. If you are not familiar with the Cablinc case, I would suggest you first read a little bit on the case. Cablinc is a company that makes cables and other electrical equipment, and also build up an engineering department to service customers with their engineering needs. There will be a link in the description which will point you to some information. The main character of the Cablinc case is Anne McClear. She's the new Marcom director for Cablinc. Well, I will now show you how GuruScan has helped Cablinc to solve some of the problems that they have. So we will start off logged in at the Cablinc instance of the GuruScan tool with Kate McCash. She's the CFO of Cablinc. And Kate has just visited one of their biggest customers called Wevoo. Wevoo is a customer in Slovakia, and it's actually not one of the biggest customers, but the biggest customer. And what you can immediately see in the knowledge topic is there's a little description, there's an external link so people can find more information if they need. And you can see different experts with their expertise level, advanced, intermediate. And there are also people there that have no knowledge level because they are externals. So knowledge and knowledge networks don't stop at the company, but expand generally far beyond that. And in this case, there are also a couple of people from the customer organization there who are also knowledgeable. Of course, these people cannot look into the knowledge base themselves, but still they can be found by anyone in the organization for this specific knowledge topic. Well, Kate actually has a big problem because Cablinc faces many problems, but to overcome them, they definitely need to continue their biggest customer. And she's been there this morning. She also posted a little message. Hey, I will visit Wevoo today. Hope they will sign their next 5-year contract. But now she had the meeting and she actually got a little bit scared. I got scared. Wevoo needs innovation. A competitor offered SSC 75 cables. Can we do that too? So she got scared, she needs help, and she really wants to know, hey, can we actually do that ourselves as well? Now, let's log out and let's see what will happen if someone else in the organization will turn up and also looks at this, looks at what's happening. Well, this is Adam Baker. He's a junior engineer. He will also see these Wevoo needs innovation. He thinks, wow, that's interesting. So he can see, hey, Kate McCash, oh, they're about to sign a 5-year contract. That doesn't look good. And he can say, hey, Kate, I know what this is. I will make an inventory and involve innovation. Well, so he will be able to possibly make sure that Kate can secure this assignment. He will then make a new knowledge topic. Click on add topic, SSC. He needs to make SSC 75. And you can see there's already another topic called SSC 55, but that's not the right one. So he needs SSC 75 because that was what they needed. SSC is a synthetic super cable, and then up to 75% carbon reduction. Well, that's what he needs. Next, he knows a little bit about it. He's quite good, intermediate. And he thinks that Paul might know something about it. He thinks that Lisa might know something about it because she's the senior engineer. And he thinks that Steve may know something about it. He's the managing all the plants. And he has heard, strangely, that John Wright mentioned something on especially the carbon reduction. That's something green technology is John Wright's his extra focus. So he also adds him to the list. Well, you can see he made a knowledge topic very quickly, pulled in a couple of people, and well, that's his first go at this issue. And he will log out now, and we will see what happens if we log in with a few of the other people. For instance, if we log on with John Wright, you can see what's happening here. So he also gets the updates for the chat messages, but he can also go, well, you can see that he's been referenced on SSC 75. So you can go there immediately. Say, well, he's not really a tech guy, but he is into the green stuff, but he does know that he's been talking about this SSC cable with one of the customers that he's been serving, Esteban Rodriguez, quite a lot. So he will also add that customer to this list, and he updated the knowledge topic. We'll log out again. We will be going back into the solution as Paul McBride. He's the innovation manager. He also got endorsed for SSC 75. Paul thinks he knows quite a lot about it, and Paul also knows one of the guys in the factory who's knowledgeable on it, Ricardo Silva. He's the cable expert, so he also links that one. And Paul also gives Lise McSenior and, let me see, Steve McGreasy an endorsement because he also thinks they might know about it. So he now saves the topic again, and well, that's about it. You can see here that Paul participated in a knowledge booster previously. I will explain in the second part of this demo what a knowledge booster is and how it works. Quickly show you the results. And McClear did a knowledge booster on organizational network analysis, and you can see a couple of people scored really well. And that actually reminds Paul of how good that worked. So he goes back to this topic again and says, well, you know what? Hi all. Kate really needs this innovation. I will ask Anne to organize a knowledge booster for us. Keep you posted. So he's now made sure that everyone in this group receives this message because they're all connected to this topic, and that really helps him to very quickly boost this topic and make sure that everyone knows about it. So that's what he's going to do, and hereby we finished the first part of this demo. Make sure that you check out the second part as well. Thanks.